Hello guys, so today I'm removing the old bushings from the alternator in my Volvo 940. It has the D24 Volkswagen engine, and as you can see I've already removed them, and this is what they look like. So here on the left you have the old ones, and this is the new one. And if you're wondering, it's part number 1328850, and I bought them from Skandix, and apparently they still have new old stock. In order to remove them, I had to loosen the alternator, and there is this bolt in the middle of the screen there, which you have to loosen a little, and then basically that makes the alternator free. And then there is this 10mm bolt right there, which is used for adjusting the belt tension, and I just loosened that a little, and that made me be able to remove this bolt which stays and holds the alternator basically. And previously I've had problems with the belt of the alternator being wearing very fast, and I think one of the problems is because of those old bushings. As you can see, they're eccentric in shape. They're not circles anymore, and I think that made the alternator more or less shift to one side like that, and not stay in the same plane as the water pump pulley, or I should say it's not actually the water pump pulley, but the fan belt pulley. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna clean inside of these where the bushings sit, and then I'm just gonna reinstall the new ones. I think I'm gonna use some silicone grease just to be able to push them inside easier, since these are still pliable, and it should be a little bit harder to push them back in. But as you can see, let me check 1 second. Here they're exactly the same part. It's just one is used and the other one isn't. I don't think this is a newer part. I just think it's a new old stock that skandix still has, which is nice. So anyway, I'll get cracking, and I'll see you in a bit once I've reinstalled the bushings. And there we go. I just completed to tighten the nuts holding the big bolt that goes through the two bushings that I just changed. And if you're wondering why there is a double nut here, I had an accident where I think around 4 years ago we removed this bolt to check the bushings and saw that they're very bad and worn, and we tried to put some I think self-vulcanizing tape around them to make them a little bit rounder maybe. However, as we saw, that didn't work out. Anyway, we tightened the bolt. However, at one point when I opened the hood to check the oil, I saw that this nut was missing, and the way I fixed it is I just double nutted so that they don't come loose. And that was that, and that was 4 years ago, and they haven't moved anywhere. I had a little problem pushing the new bushings in, which was I guess because the old ones were shrunk, and I removed them very easily. And in order to put them in, I used some sockets, and I just put them on the big bolt, and I just tightened the bolt until the bushing went in. And basically I think we're done here. I adjusted the belt. I don't know, I guess I will leave the wrench in the car if I need to adjust it more. But the way you adjust it is you use 10mm socket, and it's very hard to see, but you have to put it underneath the alternator, and then you can rotate it. If you rotate it counterclockwise, it will loosen the belt, loosen the alternator bracket, which will go like this, get down. Or if you rotate it clockwise, it will tighten it. And yeah, I'll make sure to do a follow-up of how this bushing repair worked out, and if I have excessive belt wear or squeal or whatever. Thank you for watching.